right, here we are, middle of July, July 19th, and here is the herb garden. So, the herb garden gets a lot of attention in the beginning because I can't do anything else in the other gardens. And then the stuff starts to take over and the weeds start to take over. So, this is why we get a little mess. But let's look at what we got here. So right here is called a toothache plant, and there's some little nubs, and that's exactly what it does. It numbs the mouth. It's a toothache. There's something that's self-seeded. Looks like a pumpkin. We have some licorice that I planted. Some sunflowers. A flower that we bought. I'm not sure what it's called. I'd have to look it up. We had some columbines that they're past their prime. We have some cilantro that's going to seed. We have the cilantro actually self-seeded from last year. This lettuce over here, all this lettuce here, it's self-seeded from last year, and I harvested a bunch already, and that's been really good. So I'm going to let it go to seed and let it self-seed again. We have some more licorice back here. Some black sunflowers. We have some calendula. Back here through the weeds, we have a purple phlox that has been done. We've got a ashwagandha and a marshmallow plant. We'll see how they do. We've got some pansies that are still pretty and lots of weeds. I gotta get those. This looks like an echinacea maybe. Now let's see what this is. Sometimes I gotta find the tags. This is, oh, it's a foxglove. Okay. We have lots of yarrow. I've been harvesting and tincturing. Some St. John's wort that looks like, oh, that's a small baby bumblebee. And some honeybees. Tincturing again. We've got some sage and some nasturtiums. Call them nasties because that's so fun. Some kale type thingies that gone to seed. Planted itself, gone to seed. And so I'm just leaving it for the bees. We've got a lupine, that's Brooks lupine. We've got these small pink ones are buckwheat, self-seed. Oh, no, actually I planted these again. The bees love them. They get really tall and pretty. Something that has something wrong with it. Let's see. Wild bergamot. It's some different mints. A valerian. Different kinds of lavender that I've harvested a lot from. Some Shasta daisies, some perennial violas. Oregano is done. Let's see what this guy is. Oh, that's my chamomile. Oh, I hope I get that next year. Some more violas. Lots of stuff. Let's see. I did some golden chrysanthemums or something like that. Little ball things. They're pretty tiny. I don't know. Look, here's something in here. Let's see, what do we got? Another foxglove. Some nasturtiums. I'm not sure. Some weeds. We have a tree, a bush thing that we planted in here that we can't remember what the name is. Whoopsie. Back here is feverfew. Look at those tiny little buds on there. They probably need a little more sunshine. Another medicinal. And we've got, what do we got here? I'm glad I have these tags in here. Hibiscus. Oh, that's a hibiscus. I guess. We've got some hummingbird that I planted from seed. We've got some, this is Logan's plant that he bought. This is bee balm. I harvested that. I haven't seen any bees on it, but they're supposed to love it. These are all strawberry patches that have gone to the weeds. Some more strawberry patches. Ooh, and I see a strawberry. We've got hysop. I think it's can be a replacement for the marshmallow, and it smells really good. Here's garlic, lemon balm that I have trimmed back to see if I can get some more this year still because it smells so good. Back here we have some more echinacea. And here's my echinacea here. Oh, we've got one. It bloomed. Oh, I love it. Look at that. My first echinacea. So excited for that one. And we have more garlic. And a few garlic scapes that I did not catch, but we'll just leave them. They'll be harvesting within the month, I would guess. Let's see what else we got. Walk through the garlic fields. Put down wood chips for a sorta path this year. This right here. Oh, the chickens are saying hi. Oh, no one can hear me now. Oh, I keep forgetting what this is. Some kind of sunflower family that'll come back on its own. I had some moonflowers here, big white flowers. Here is I have my catnip. And then over here, look at those guys. I think, let's see, rutabaga. And those are kind of cool looking, huh? And these over here are huckleberries. So we'll see what they turn into. There's another hollyhock, huckleberry. Yep, so there we go. Our fun painted rocks. So there we go.